in traffic. As soon as I get back, I'm gonna see Jeff's tattoo, and then hopefully edit this video in time. I should probably say homegirl got a car.
Homie got a brand new car.
Homies clothing. We got friends of LPN, and we also got Happy Mother's Day. GoPro, stop recording.
Savvy with the plug, posse with the vibes. I'm bleached with the stick, karma with the tips.
With the
Love
homies.
people naturally when I fucking flip.
Dude.
But you ain't got it like that. You ain't smoking like that. You ain't supposed to like me, no. You ain't got it like that, so you gotta be mad. We ain't fucking with it, we small. Savvy with the plug, posse with the vibes. I'm bleached with the stick, karma with the tips. Love people naturally when I fucking flip.
What up, dog?
But you ain't got it like that, you ain't smoking like that, you ain't supposed to like me, no. You ain't got it like that, so you gotta be mad. We ain't fucking with it, we small, small, small.
Filming it, feeling it.
Oh my god, that looks so nice.
Yeah, I went paddleboarding yesterday, man. I fucking fell in with all my clothes. I was hella confident. Yeah, Jeff was trying to play chicken. I was standing up.
That's funny.
He was kneeling down, but then I fucking fell later. That shit fucked me up.
Oh, maybe like a bowl or something. Jeff.
Yes.
You are looking really good, dude.
What do you mean?